Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Techie Sapien. Today we've got something truly mind-blowing to talk about. Microsoft has just dropped a bombshell with their latest release, Copilot for Windows 11, and it's nothing short of insane. If you're not already in the loop, don't worry, I'll break it down for you. So, what exactly is Copilot? Well, it's essentially an artificial intelligence assistant that's seamlessly integrated into Windows 11, designed to supercharge your productivity and unleash your creativity. Copilot collaborates with Bing Chat and ChatGPT plugins to ensure you stay focused and in your workflow without the hassle of constantly switching between applications. It's like having your own personal digital assistant right at your fingertips. And guess what? For now, Windows 11 Copilot is completely free. To get started, all you need to do is update your Windows 11, and you'll find it right here in your taskbar. Now let's talk about some of its killer features. One of the most outstanding advantages of Windows 11 Copilot is its ability to provide you with real-time information. Just check this out. I'll ask, what's the weather like in Seattle today? Bam! Instant results. It can even compose the perfect email for you. You can switch its mode by simply typing "Turn dark mode on" and clicking "Yes." Need some peace and quiet? Just type "Do not disturb." And if you're looking to summarize an article you're reading, just type "Summarize the article." It's that easy. You can even craft a tweet related to the article and share it on your Twitter or X account. But here's the kicker. Copilot does something unique. It always shifts the content on your screen to make room for its sidebar. This sidebar is always at the forefront of your interface, and nothing can overlap it. It's like the VIP section of your desktop. Even if I have multiple apps running, like File Explorer, I can snap them side by side, and Copilot stays right there, always visible. Now, Copilot's integration with Bing Chat gives it some serious firepower when it comes to internet searches. It can handle multiple search queries at once and provide you with answers. But hey, let's be real. The internet isn't always a bastion of accuracy, right? Copilot knows that too. It mentions that errors are possible and you can help Microsoft correct them by sending feedback. So there you have it, folks. The incredible world of Windows 11 Copilot. It's a game changer, enabling you to multitask, stay informed, and take your productivity to the next level. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you found this video informative and exciting. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the digital world.